What's going on, guys? Luis here, and today we're cooking some top loin steaks, beef top loin steaks. Right now I'm looking for a replacement for either New York or ribeye, and these were right next to the New York steaks. They were very affordable, just under $10. So if they're good, we're gonna keep adding them to our regular meal prepping routine. But without further ado, let's get cooking. So we're gonna keep things very simple. We're only gonna add salt and pepper. Let's season the steaks right now. Steaks are seasoned. Both of these steaks combined are just a bit shy of 16 ounces. So each of them is 8 ounces. We'll just say that. And I'll flash the macros right here. Now that it's warm, we're gonna add our secret ingredient, and that's butter. And a lot of people are afraid of butter, but butter gives a lot of flavor to food. If you use a little bit of it, I'm only gonna use 5 grams total. It doesn't really add much calories. Okay, so it's been about 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna reduce the heat and flip them. So take a look at that. We're just gonna let them sit for about 2-3 minutes because they're still cooking inside. And while that's happening, while they're cooling off, our rice is going crazy over here. Now, since I made 2 steaks, I'm going to meal prep the other one. So we're just gonna cut it. There you go. That's all meal prepped. While we wait for the rice to finish, we're just gonna cut this in half. Look at that. And there you have it. Beef top loin steak with collard rose rice. You can substitute that for jasmine if you want. And I'll flash the macros right here so you can see them. But definitely adding this to my meal prep. Now let's taste it because it looks damn good. Okay, so now here's the steak. Okay, so I had to take a little step back because this thing is freaking good. The seasonings are good, the salt, the buttery texture around it. For the price, like, it's phenomenal. This is really freaking good. Definitely gonna add this to my meal prep. Whew, look at that. That looks beautiful. The white rice complements it really, really well. Soaking it in with the butter plus the salt and pepper. Like, we don't add much, just salt and pepper. That's all I needed. The salt really came through. Phenomenal. Definitely, I give this a solid 8 out of 10. Definitely gonna add this to my meal prepping just because it's very affordable and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna finish enjoying this, but give this video a like, share it with a friend. If you want to see more meal prepping videos, let me know what recipes you exactly want to know. But until next time, I'll see you guys next time.